Hi there, you know what is India? That is Bharat. Shall be a socialist, secular, democratic republic. When we say secular, it means that there has to be no religion in this country. And when there is no religion in the country, then all the people who stay in India, they are all Hindustani, or they are all Indians, or they are all Bharatiya. And the religion should remain just a very personal faith and belief. And when all our brothers and sisters belonging to any caste, creed, race, religion come out of their houses, they really feel united, integrated, harmoniously committed to serve the motherland. No differences. That will be the real meaning of secularism. Secularism, just in the constitution, is not one-way traffic. That on the name of secularism, you play all the gimmicks and games of religion and you still say we are secular. Secular means there is no state religion. Whosoever is on the Indian territory, they are only Indians, they are only Bharatiya, they are only Hindustani. That unites them. But the moment you start talking about caste, creed, race, religion, as in our constitution is written, there shall be no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, race and religion. It is only talking how the government should deal with different kind of people. But it should be reverse way, that nobody should talk about caste, creed, race and religion. Talking about caste, creed, race and religion should be a heinous crime, a very serious criminal crime, because it is breaking India. It is dividing India into different pockets and compartments. And there is poison. This kind of religious divergence is a cancer for the motherland. See how chaos is in the country today. On the basis of religion, they feel separate there. But they are not separate. They are Indians. They live, breathe, eat, sleep on the soil of India. Then how they can be different? Anybody who is on the Indian soil, he is only Indian. He is only Bharatiya, he is only Hindustani. That is the bonding we have to feel. But I am very sorry. That is not happening. Use your intelligence. Try to be wise and brave, smart and clever, to really understand how dangerous it is to divide India on the basis of religion. Once you say we are secular, then why are you talking about religion? All feel sisters and brothers of India. And if you are really still wiser, then the whole world is our family. Sisters and brothers of the world. Even birds, fish, animal, plants and all creatures and humans are one. And all have to be happy.